This is video number 31 of the Polynomial series. Earth shelter. A home built into the side of a hill which uses the surrounding earth as insulation and protection. Structural insulated panels. Prefabricated. A pre-assembled sandwich board constructed using various insulating material as the filling. Polystyrene foam, extruded polystyrene foam, or composite honeycomb. Carbon neutral. A home that generates through natural sources such as wind, water and sun as much energy as it uses in heating, electricity and lighting, etc. Containers. A home built from recycled shipping containers which can be positioned using a modular plan to form almost any type of property. Airtight. Sealing a home with triple glazing, heavy thick doors, sealed walls, etc. to minimize the amount of energy lost through inadequate construction practices. Solar house. A house built to maximize the use of solar power to heat and insulate the home. Green roof. Converting your roof into a garden or a green roof can have tremendous energy-saving qualities. Straw bale. A basic home constructed out of locally sourced straw bales. Insulated concrete. Polystyrene molds that contain poured concrete to form the structure. Natural light. Maximizing the amount of natural sunlight that can enter the home using floor-to-ceiling glass walls where possible, heating the home in the process. Rammed earth. Houses built of tightly packed soil creating up to 24-inch thick insulated walls.